Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of marketing emails after signing up for a service? Well, there's a nifty little trick for Gmail users that can help you avoid this. Today, we're going to show you how to create temporary email addresses using your Gmail account. Gmail doesn't officially offer disposable email addresses, but you can create your own aliases using a dot or a plus sign before the @ sign in your email. For instance, if your email is johndoe@gmail.com, you can create aliases like john.doe@gmail.com, jo.hngmail.com, or even johndoe+work@gmail.com. These aliases can help you organize emails in different folders. So how do you create a temporary email address in Gmail? First, click on the settings icon in the top right corner and go to See All Settings. Next, click on Filter and Blocked Addresses. Now click on Create a New Filter. In the To section, type your alias email address, like johndoe+newsletter@gmail.com, and click on Create Filter. A screen will pop up with various options. You can choose what you want to do with the emails. You can forward them to another email address, apply a label, or even mark them as read. It's completely up to you. If you choose to forward emails, add the email address to which you want to forward them. You can also organize them under a label. Choose an existing label or create a new one by clicking on New Label. Name the label, for example, Newsletters, and click on Create. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create temporary email addresses in Gmail to keep your inbox clutter-free. Now you can sign up for those one-time services without the headache of unwanted emails. So to summarize, today we've shown you how to use Gmail to create temporary email addresses. This trick can help you avoid an onslaught of marketing emails, keep your inbox organized, and make your digital life a little more manageable. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech hacks and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next